24 hours after a man takes your number, you should bill him to know he is capable, or else you're wasting your time.
Are you billing because you're hungry?
No, I'm not hungry because I'm beautiful. You saw me with a good wig.
So I should pay you for being beautiful.
Exactly. You should pay me every day for being beautiful. It's not easy to be beautiful. Do you know how much skincare costs?
But why should I pay you for being that's to me is a ratchet thinking. Your mama, okay, why your mama? I'm sorry.
For you, it's a ratchet thinking. For me, it's a broke man thinking. For you, for to think that you cannot pay me for being beautiful, that's a broke.
My country people, this internet, nothing we no go hear or see. If you as a lady no get mind of your own, you better avoid social media. Cause the thing where you go dey hear go dey make you dey question your sanity. This girl now, Saidaboj or whatever they are calling her, don't come out advise ladies again. Tell una say, if a man asks for your number within 24 hours of him asking for it, make you bill am. Make you self bill am. That one self day, no be that one they pay me. Now the one where she talk say she dated a married man last year and the man used her without giving her any penny. Make I play the video, make una watch.
I was with this guy last year and he used me. He had money, he didn't give me. He's a married man. I regret it so bad because I feel like I always feel pity for married women and everything. So una fit say men dey scarce. Should I show you my DM?
No, please, dear.
They are not scarce.
See, Saidaboj is actually one person that knows what she wants. Yeah, I'm not disputing that fact. But you coming out in this social space to impose your choice of life to girls is what I don't understand or what I can't comprehend. You know, there are a lot of girls following you. Some even made you their role model. You know, once you drop anything, they will just pick it up. And that's their lifestyle. So you should be mindful of things you put out there. Seriously. And this thing of you know, dragging people that called you out, any small thing, if you see anything, you just start making video dragging them. See, now because they never meet way, person will go, you know, calm you down. Make we shall give you, let's say 1 year, 2 years, all this thing now, people will get tired of you talking. Seriously, you need to put in work aside dragging people. That's my own advice. I'm not here to tell you what to do or what not to do or to drag you. This is your lifestyle. This is your choice. You understand? Everyone in this life has a choice. So this is the path you choose. Nobody has the right to tell you what to do, but you should be mindful of how you drag people. You should be mindful of how you drag people. That's my own. Okay guys, see you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to like, follow this channel for more news with the tutorial. But do not see they do one for here. For my page, no moment at all. If this is your first time coming across my page, you're welcome. My name is Saidaboj TV. Do well to like, comment, share my videos. See, they give me one kind encouragement to continue. Stay safe out there. See you guys on my next episode. Oh yeah, now. Bye.